Hi, it's John from Dura-Fix. I just recently published an article about using Dura-Fix Warm Weather in warm temperatures. And that article is published on our website at www.nxtgensys.com/news. And I'll put a link in the description to the article. Dura-Fix Warm Weather specifically engineered to perform well in application temperatures anywhere from 70 to above 90 degrees. So it's an ideal product for summer applications. Dura-Fix can be mixed and applied even on a vertical surface, and there's plenty of open time to position the material on a vertical surface, and as it cures, it won't slump or sag. It won't overheat like conventional epoxies can sometimes do in warm temperatures. Dura-Fix is also engineered after curing to perform in the long term. It will perform year after year in severe cold weather and severe warm weather. So take a look. I invite you to take a look at the article at our website, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. I'm John Stahl with Dura-Fix.